How to make enchantment room in Minecraft. So first make a structure with walls like 7 by 7, which will make the floor 5 by 5. So this will help us use the design that we're going to make for the enchantment room. So first, just simply get your bookshelf and place 3 here on the sides first, then 3 on the front, then 3 on the sides again. After that, place 3 more on top of the side bookshelves right here. And once that's done, you'll now get your enchanting table and place it here on the middle. So as you can see, we now have that. And to show you the level of enchantment, you simply right click on the enchantment table, place a diamond pickaxe and your lapis. As you can see, we now have the efficiency for level 30 enchantment right there. So just simply get it, and now I have it right here. You could also add more bookshelves if you want. If you want, it doesn't matter. But for me, this is perfect. And that's how you basically make an enchantment room in Minecraft.